Back now at 9:46, and we are heading into one of the biggest party weekends of the year.
Oh, yeah.
Millions of people are expected to reunite for some summer fun. Many have been waiting. This is going to be their first time out and about.
Absolutely, and of course, a lot of people will be gathering for the backyard barbecues. But entertaining not always an easy feat. So our friend Christina Daves is sharing a few of her favorite gadgets to take your cookout to the next level.
Hi everybody, welcome to summer. I'm so excited to be here with you. It's time for summer entertaining. We're back with our family and our friends. We're outside barbecues. So I brought with me today 7 must-haves for your summer entertaining. I want to start with the tablecloth. This tablecloth right here, every time I have these out, everybody says, oh my gosh, that is the most brilliant idea. They're spandex tablecloths. They come from mychaircovers.com, and the concept is you pull it around the table, but then it has this little pocket that the legs go into, which pulls the tablecloth down so you don't have a tablecloth blowing up over your food. Next up is the windmill watermelon slicer. I love watermelon in those perfect little cubes. Look how easy this is. You just stick it in and you just windmill it, and you get the perfect cube. Okay, summer's hot, right? We want to keep our dips, our salads, our appetizers chilly. So these are brilliant. You can find these on Amazon. This one is the dip bowl, but you've got the dip bowl, comes with a lid, and you put ice in here. So it'll keep your mayonnaise-based, dips and salads fresh. You don't have to worry about them going bad. Okay. If you like to have picnics, if you like to be outside, maybe you want to watch the stars at night, look for shooting stars. This is from Eagle's Nest Outfitters. It is a giant picnic blanket, but what's different about this is it has an LED light in it. So it has a little control here. You push the button to turn it on. You can see, kind of hard in the light. Right now you can see it's flashing. It has 3 different settings. It's nylon, so if it gets wet, it dries really quickly. But this is great for just backyard picnics, having some fun. Okay, summer's hot, right? These are great. These are W fans by Spice It Up Life. And my mom, my aunt, all of their friends love these. So you just put it around your neck. And it's got 3 different settings, and it blows just right here. Your hands free. So if you're doing gardening, you're taking a walk, this will keep you cool and refreshed. Okay, next up is outdoor entertaining. I love this. You take your watermelon, you put a tap in, you squeeze out all the inside, you put in your favorite liquid, and here you go. Pour in your favorite cocktail, mocktail, water, whatever you like, and you have it decorated. And you can use pineapple, cantaloupe, anything at all, and just hollow it out and put the tap in. Okay, and last but not least, we have from Joy-In the blow-up buffet table. It's plastic. You see it's got a drain. You fill it with ice, put in your favorite foods, your favorite drinks. You can see we've even got one right here floating in the pool. So really excited. Enjoy all of this. Cheers to summer.